Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel रीना अकेडमिया. होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड. तो आज का अपना जो ये सेशन है वो टॉप 80 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर से रहेगा. 16 से 31 अक्टूबर में जितने भी इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर बन सकते थे जो आपके एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है वो सारे मैंने इस वीडियो में कवर किए हैं. तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखना और इस तरह के सीरीज में आप जाके चैनल पे प्लेलिस्ट पे बाकी सेशन भी देख सकते हैं. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना डिले करे हुए अपना आज का पहला क्वेश्चन. Which country is hosting Asia Pacific Accident Investigation Group meeting and workshop for the first time? The right answer is part B, India. Next question. The CMS-3 satellite to be launched by LVM-3 on November 2 is primarily for. The right answer is part A, communication services. Next question. Recently, which country launched the world first yen-pegged stablecoin? The right answer is part A, Japan. Next question. Which year has recently been declared as the Asian India Year of Maritime Cooperation by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi? The right answer is part B, 2026. Next question. Which country is the host of 2025 Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation Summit? The right answer is part A, South Korea. Next question. The Mishti initiative was launched by which ministry? The right answer is part A, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Next question. Which state government has unveiled a draft IT Vision 2031 plan? The right answer is part B, Kerala. Next question. Which country became the first non-NATO country to participate in Exercise Ocean Sky 2025? The right answer is part A, India. Next question. Recently, who became the second highest run scorer in ODI cricket? The right answer is part A, Virat Kohli. Next question. What is the name of annual tri-services combat exercise launched by India along the western border with Pakistan in 2025? The right answer is part A, Trishul exercise. Next question. Project Arun Nanak is an initiative of which organization? The right answer is part A, Border Road Organization. Next question. Which new regional football tournament has FIFA launched to promote football in Southeast Asia? The right answer is part A, FIFA ASEAN Cup. Next question. Which of the following has officially become the 11th member of Association of Southeast Asian Nations? The right answer is part A, that is Timor-Leste. Next question. Who was selected for the Vigyan Ratan Award 2025 given for lifetime contribution in science and technology? The right answer is part A, that is Jayant Vishnu Narillikar. Next question. Who will be the 53 Chief Justice of India? The right answer is part A, Justice Surya Kant. Next question. Recently, Catherine Connolly has been elected as president of which country? The right answer is part A, Ireland. Next question. Which organization launched the intrusion detection system on a railway track in the Northeast? The right answer is part B, Northern Frontier Railway. Next question. Who is the author of book Modi Mission launched by Governor Devran and CM Fadnavis in Mumbai? The right answer is part A, Brajesh Desai. Next question. Veer Bhadu made history by becoming the first Indian to win a bronze in which sport? The right answer is part B, mixed martial arts. Next question. What are the names of two indigenously built fast patrol vessels commissioned by the Indian Coast Guard? The right answer is part B, that is INS Ajit and ICGS Aparajit. Next question. Which bank has honored with the titles of World Best Consumer Bank 2025 and Best Bank in India 2025 by Global Finance New York? The right answer is part B, State Bank of India. Next question. Recently, which renowned Indian origin historian has won the 2025 British Academy Book Prize? The right answer is part B, Sunil Amrit. Next question. In which state will the FID World Cup 2025 be held? The right answer is part B, Goa. Next question. Where will the Asian Summit 2025 be held? The right answer is part A, Malaysia. Next question. Which state will be declared India's first state to be completely free from extreme poverty? The right answer is part A, that is Kerala. Next question. Who was called as the father of Indian advertising who recently passed away? The right answer is part A, Piyush Pandey. Next question. Ningol Chakhuba festival is celebrated in which state? The right answer is part C, Nagaland. Next question. What is the name of India's first indigenously designed and manufactured aircraft carrier? The right answer is part A, that is INS Vikrant. Next question. What is the name of the operation launched by Directorate of Revenue Intelligence to stop illegal smuggling of Chinese firecracker into India? The right answer is part A, Operation Fire Trial. Next question. Which India lunar mission made the first ever observation of the effect of sun coronal mass ejection on the moon? The right answer is part A, that is Chandrayaan 2. Next question. Which football team won the 125th Indian Football Association Shield 2025? The right answer is part C, Mahun Bagan Supergate. Next question. What is the name of the mission launched by government in October 2025 to promote high yield long staple cotton cultivation? The right answer is part A, that is Kapas Kranti mission. Next question. Which state ranked first in India for recovering stolen and missing mobile phone through the Central Equipment Identity Register portal? The right answer is part B, that is Telangana. Next question. Which country has become the first in Latin America to legalize euthanasia through legislation? The right answer is part C, that is Uruguay. Next question. Which organization has released the Global Antibiotic Resistance Surveillance Report 2025? The right answer is part A, that is World Health Organization. Next question. Which country has been elected as co-chair of UN Global Geospatial Regional Committee for 2025 to 2028? The right answer is part B, India. Next question. Which organization has released the first State of Finance for Forests 2025 report? The right answer is part B, United Nations Environment Programme. Next question. Silent Valley National Park is located in which state? The right answer is part A, Kerala. Next question. Exercise Samudra Shakti 2025 is conducted between India and which country? The right answer is part C, Indonesia. Next question. According to a recent Reserve Bank of India report, which Indian state has highest per capita usage intensity of UPI transactions? The right answer is part A, that is Telangana. Next question. What is the name of the India first indigenously designed and manufactured aircraft carrier? The right answer is part B, that is INS Vikrant. Next question. Recently, who has been chosen as the torchbearer for 2026 Winter Olympics? The right answer is part A, Avinav Bindra. Next question. Which state celebrated the Ningol Chukuba festival? The right answer is part A, Manipur. Next question. Who has been named as the chairperson of World Intellectual Property Organization Advisory Board of Judges for the 2025 to 2027 term? The right answer is part B, Justice Pratibha M. Singh. Next question. United Nations Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? The right answer is part A, 24th of October. Next question. Which country has become the 90th member of International Union Conservation of Nature? The right answer is part B, Tuvalu. Next question. Which state became the first Indian state to grant 12 days of paid menstrual leave annually to women employees? The right answer is part B, Karnataka. Next question. Which Indian player has been provided the honorary rank of Lieutenant Colonel in Territorial Army? The right answer is part A, Neeraj Chopra. Next question. Recently, who became the first Indian woman to win an Archery World Cup final medal? The right answer is part A, Jyoti Surekha Venam. Next question. Who has been elected as Japan's first female prime minister? The right answer is part B, Sanai Takachi. Next question. Recently, Australia and which country signed $8.5 billion critical mineral pact to reduce dependence on China? The right answer is part A, USA. Next question. Which country launched the first ever state mining readiness index? The right answer is part A, India. Next question. Who has been collaborated with Google Cloud to create AI powered musical avatars? The right answer is part B, A.R. Rahman. Next question. Where was the Indian Himalaya region climate change conclave recently held? The right answer is part A, Imphal. Next question. Recently, who has been appointed as the president of Association Chamber of Commerce and Industry of India? The right answer is part C, Nirmal Kumar Munda. Next question. What is the name of the cycling campaign being organized under the Fit India initiative from October 31, 2025? The right answer is part A, that is Iron Wheels of Unity. Next question. Who has been appointed as the first Asian chair of Species Survival Commission of the IUCN? The right answer is part A, Vivek Menon. Next question. In which state the first edition of Khelo India University Game 2025 will be organized? The right answer is part A, Rajasthan. Next question. Name the indigenous counter unmanned barrier system grid, the procurement of which has been initiated by the Indian Army. The right answer is part C, that is Saksham. Next question. What is the rank of India in Global Hunger Index 2025? The right answer is part A 102. Next question. Recently, who launched the Face Authentication Challenge for exams? The right answer is part A India AI. Next question. Ministry of Ayush released the Ayurved Ahar list in collaboration with which of the following? The right answer is part A FSSAI. Next question. The world first multi-sensor EO satellite called Mission Drishti will be launched by which startup? The right answer is part A, that is GlaxI. Next question. Recently, which country has been elected unopposed to the Human Rights Council for a 3-year term 2026 to 2028? The right answer is part A, India. Next question. Recently, India and which country began its first naval exercise in Roken 2025? The right answer is part B, South Korea. Next question. According to a recent report, Reserve Bank of India, which Indian state has the highest per capita usage intensity of UPI transactions? The right answer is part C, Telangana. Next question. Which university topped the Times Higher Education World University Ranking 2026? The right answer is part A, University of Oxford. Next question. Who assumed as the role of Executive Director at the Reserve Bank of India? The right answer is part B, Sonali Sen Gupta. Next question. According to the Civil Registration System report, which state recorded the lowest sex ratio at birth in 2023? The right answer is part C, Jharkhand. Next question. National Unity Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? The right answer is part A, 31st of October. Next question. Which country has honored Donald Trump with its highest civilian award, Grand Order of Munglagawa? The right answer is part B, South Korea. Next question. Which country scientists launched the Amazon Face project near Manaus? The right answer is part B, that is Brazil. Next question. Which of the following cities remain the most polluted city of world? The right answer is part A, Lahore. Next question. What is the name of the operation launched by police to promote online safety? The right answer is part A, that is Cyber Jago. Next question. Recently, India has been entered to the final of Women World Cup 2025. India will compete with which country in final? The right answer is part A, South Africa. Next question. What is the rank of India in the Global Firepower Index 2025? The right answer is part A, that is fourth. Next question. Which AI company launched the open source online encyclopedia Grokipedia offering over 8 lakh article at launch? The right answer is part A, that is XAI. Next question. Which Indian chief and Padma Shri awardee was named one of the 2025 top agri-food pioneer by the World Food Prize Foundation? The right answer is part A, Sanjeev Kapoor. Next question. Which ministry is set to launch the Reclaim framework to promote sustainable mining and inclusive mine closures? The right answer is part A, that is Ministry of Coal. Next question. Where was the 22 Asian India Summit in which Prime Minister Narendra Modi participated virtually held in 2025? द राइट आंसर इज पार्ट ए, दैट इज कोलालमपुर मलेशिया। तो ये थे हमारे टॉप 80 एमसीक्यू जो कि आपके एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। और इस तरह के मैंने सेशंस पहले भी ले चुके हैं जो कि करंट अफेयर प्लेलिस्ट पर ऑलरेडी अपलोड है, आप वहां पे जाके विजिट कर सकते हैं। ये मैंने वहां से 2 स्क्रीनशॉट लगाए हैं। इस तरह से और भी बड़े सेशन जो है वहां पे मैंने करवाए हैं। तो अगर आपको ये लेक्चर अच्छे लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना ताकि आपको इस तरह की वीडियोस मिले।